Welcome to Modern Living. I'm Kathy Ireland. More than 100 million Americans say they suffer from chronic pain. Back pain, headaches, sprains and strains, and the aches from working out can all contribute to our bodies needing some relief. Thermotex is taking heat therapy to a whole new level with its patented far infrared system that's guaranteed to deliver relief in 30 days. Executive VP Wendy Docherty and General Manager Anton Stain are here to tell us more. Welcome to Modern Living.
Thank you, Kathy. It's nice to be here.
Hello, Kathy.
Welcome. Now, Wendy, let's start with this epidemic of pain Americans are experiencing. What are some of the conditions that people have and how infrared therapy can help?
Oh my goodness, there are so many things like arthritis, bursitis, tendonitis, fibromyalgia are just a few that our product really helps. Things like arthritis, you get a lot of inflammation. Our products help to reduce that inflammation, therefore reducing the pain. Conditions such as bursitis and tendonitis, our products promote the healing of it because they can be healed. Things like fibromyalgia, we get people telling us all the time they just can't live without the product because of the relief it gives them for the pain. Back pain is one of the quickest to respond to our treatment from their products because although the muscles in the back are very large, they're very thin. So the infrared penetrates right through and helps relieve the back pain. Typically, people will respond within a couple weeks.
And Wendy, you've personally experienced pain. Can you tell us about it and how Thermotex gave you relief?
You know what? You talk about serendipity, right? I truly believe that there is a reason that we have the company. In 2001, I was diagnosed with mercury poisoning. And my level was 55 when tested. A safe level mercury is 3. So I was taking a chelating therapy and I eventually reacted to it and could no longer tolerate it. So I was going to a naturopath and she brought in a tincture from Germany that I use and she suggested that I use an infrared sauna to help to detox the mercury. Well, we didn't have an infrared sauna, but we had Thermotex. So we made full-length body pads for me and I would sandwich myself between them for about an hour and a half, 4 or 5 nights a week for about a year and a half. And the chemicals that seeped out of my body, it was just astounding, and I was like, had brain fog, and it was just a really, really bad time. But in 2003, I had another mercury challenge test. My level was down to 3.5 from 55. So my doctors, they were like thrilled, and we concluded that the difference between me and all the other patients that they were treating is I was so dedicated to using the infrared therapy, and I truly believe it saved my life.
I'm a physical therapist. I also own a clinic. I own the business itself. And I've been doing this for 30 years. So within that time, I've been able to see a lot of different products and try a lot of different products. And some of them are almost become like a fad. You know, they're popular for a while. But infrared has been around for a long time and it's been very effective. I found it to be well liked by my patients because it works.
Thermotex attracted me because of the depth of the heat penetrating into the tissues of the body, where conventional hot pack convection goes down a few millimeters, less than a quarter inch. Thermotex is a very comfortable heat. There's no concern about the heat becoming too hot. With Thermotex, it's comfortable, it's good for pain relief, and we get into that depth of over 2 inches so that the circulation can be increased. And once you increase circulation to an area, it's widely accepted. Increased circulation equals decreased pain and certainly increases the healing ability of the body when the circulation is improved.
Anton, can you tell us about some of the newer studies and data around using infrared therapy for other conditions such as cancer and cardiovascular disease?
They're doing studies right now in Japan to prove its efficiency on cardiovascular problems and peripheral arterial diseases. And it is found that it reduces the stress on cardiovascular patients. It gives them their life back. On cancer, the study has found that the heat actually only affects those malignant cells that's been compromised, and the healthy cells actually is not affected by the infrared. So it really works for that. A recent study in Florida where they took employees with more than 6 months of back pain problems, and asked them to use the Thermotex for 45 minutes a day. They did the measurement before and after the test, and it was found that after the 6 weeks of the testing, the employees had very good relief of back pain. They got the quality of their life back. The social interaction improved. Now, our pet line uses the same technology, the same FDA and Health Canada approved device that's in that pad goes into the pets. We know that it's very effective to treat pets with arthritis.
This seems to be a health revolution.
Thermotex has been manufacturing these products that are registered as medical devices with Health Canada and the FDA for over 20 years now. It may be a revolution, but we've known about this product for many, many years.
The InfraRed treats pain with no side effects for less than 4 cents a month.
Well, lastly, Wendy, what does the future hold for Thermotex?
Well, in this day and age, people are searching for alternative therapies. They don't want to take drugs. And it's just luckily that we have this product that we can provide a drug-free, safe, and effective pain relief for people.
Well, it sounds like Thermotex is starting a new health revolution with infrared technology and helping more people find relief from pain. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kathy.
It was nice to be here.
Thank
It's wonderful.
you.
Thank you.
For Modern Living, I'm